Securely mounted, not cracked, proper color. Lights, securely mounted, not cracked, proper color. High beam, low beam, left, right, four ways, and clearance. Okay? Then you look underneath, make sure there's no leaks. All right? And it's gonna go like this. Wipers, not torn, bent, or broken, proper tension. Top, middle, bottom of the engine, no leaks, no puddles underneath the oil pans. All my hoses and clamps, securely mounted, no leaks. I got my reservoir for my windshield washer, securely mounted, no leaks in full. Reservoir for my radiator, securely mounted, no leaks, proper level. All right, let's go to the other side. Again, we go to wipers, not torn, bent or broken, proper tension. Top, middle, bottom of the engine, no leaks, no puddles underneath the oil pan. All my hoses and clamps, securely mounted, no leaks. Now I'm gonna start from the front. There's a belt-driven water pump, securely mounted, no leaks. Belt, not cracked and no more than 3/4 play. Belt-driven alternator right back here, securely mounted, no burnt wires, and no missing bolts. Okay? Then we go over here, oil cap, securely mounted, no leaks. Dipstick, not milky or discolored, and proper level. Gear-driven compressor, securely mounted, no leaks. Gear-driven power steering pump, securely mounted, no leaks. Now I'm gonna go to, since I stopped with the power steering pump, I'm gonna do the steering system. Reservoir for the power steering pump, securely mounted, no leaks, proper level. Steering column, not bent or broken, universal joint in good condition. Steering gearbox, securely mounted, no leaks. Power steering hoses, securely mounted, no leaks. Pitman arm, drag link, steering knuckle, and tie rod. The Fantastic Four, securely mounted, not bent or broken. Pitman arm, drag link, steering knuckle, and tie rod. Tie rod is the round one that goes across. Okay? So it's Pitman arm, drag link, steering knuckle, and tie rod. Okay? Securely mounted, not bent or broken. And the final is castle nut. Securely mounted, pin in. Okay? Suspension. Front and rear spring mount. Securely mounted, bushing in good condition. Spring, not cracked, scissored, or missing. U-bolts, securely mounted, no missing nuts. Shock absorber, securely mounted, no leaks. You good? All right, here's the brake system. Airline and brake chamber, securely mounted, no leaks. Push rod, slack adjuster, not bent or broken. No more than 1 inch play with the brakes release. Brake lining, not dangerously thin, not contaminated. Brake drum, no cracks, no contamination. Okay? It's a little different from the paper.
Yeah.
So if you remember the paper, good. But if you remember what I say all week, we got 7 days of doing this shit. And first of all, we got all morning to do this.
Okay.
We stop when we go to lunch. Okay? All right, so that's the brakes. Now I'm going to the wheel assembly. Inner outer seal, no leaks, proper level. Okay, has a plug there. Inner outer rim, no cracks, no wells. Lug nuts, no shining, no shavings, no indication of looseness. ABC, no abrasion, bulge, or cuts. ICD, no inflation, condition, and depth. Inflation, I check with a gauge, make sure my valve stem is securely mounted, not leaking with a cap. C, condition, I'm looking for even wear, no chunks missing. D, depth, 430, no less than 430 seconds in the steers, no less than 230 seconds in the rear. Huh?
All others.
Any questions? Okay, you can shut that off for a minute.